Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. Who says premium mechanical keyboards have to be expensive? This is an open source project for a premium keyboard at low cost. New version upgrades to a hot swap design, making it easier to build with no soldering. It also supports PCB screw-in stabilizers for improved typing feel and stability. The case can be 3D printed or CNC aluminum, offering flexibility in cost and finish. This is an evolving, open-source keyboard project for makers.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.